awareness and how to control traffic and signal.
Our main duty is to look after the pedestrian who cross the roads. Small child, whoever student, whoever is crossing, we have to ensure his safety. So that yes.
Kaban kau hi semua ada kecil deh. Ya kari Bhoi polisi berok kuai khantam ya ka traffic branch. Kajing yo nong kajongi kabangi wan taksi kadi kaba nitip ya kirul ki an entah ya ki section ki bakar abide barki traffic. Te ni kong Khynnah Pule agliang jongka law department ni layo sibun pak ki Jingiaroh khatam habide barki rule barki regulation habide kumno bagi nyak kali kumno bagi penkam entah pasakoi ba kumhakide kisi ni ba nagaliang jongka Bhoi police department hi kalau mi sekeman balik ya kapabahatam na banta kinolek nongwan unju ya kipat ba nong sunong hi Rukom.
This chance, especially for police, we got this wonderful chance for like doing it practically, like to know like something like deeply better. So very thankful, and it was very beneficial to know like how the traffic works, how tough is the work like for traffic police also, how tiring, how they are working so hard for us. It was very like thankful, and I'm very thankful, and it was really amazing. Thank you.
Jingiaroh junga le tang junga kathalai kini ki classmate Jingiaroh ki senior Jingiaroh di snow nilayo jimunta shibun abangi wan banle ekane ka practical traffic rules but nilayo ru ya ka theory na ki sir ki bala untep ini la ajitep ini te ya kani ngakwa ban article shibun ya kan ko police.
Long live!